Okay, so here I come with a new idea. This is the landing gear that I'm gonna use on my Sky Ice. Here's the Sky Ice. So I don't know if you can see how I built this landing gear. Okay, so this landing gear is from The Apprentice. So I say if I hold the landing gear right here, it's gonna start moving back and forth. So that's why I put these two pieces against the wall. Put a little bit glue over there, and actually I tested and it can support easy. It's like 10-pound impact. So let me see, it doesn't bend. There it is, and it weighs about, cause I want to keep it lightweight. 94 grams. Here it is. I made this cut in here because I wanna keep as light as possible, because this airplane is gonna be for FPV. So basically I need to work on the bottom of the plane right now. I took off the wheel that come with it. I need to adapt it here and then start working on that. Okay.